Hi, and welcome back to Curly Beauty 13. I'm Tiffany, and today I'm doing the May 2023 Curlbox unboxing. I also want to say Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there and mother figures. This month we are back to having our Curlbox, so I'm going to share what the products are that we received. So here is the little postcard. Curlbox May 2023. Achieve frizz-free looks with an easy-to-follow 4-step system. Best served cold. Avocado and Tamanu anti-frizz system for textured hair is the first curated step-by-step collection from Mayel, specially formulated to target frizz triggered by damage, dryness, and humidity. With their exclusive cold application technology, experience frizz-free, luscious locks with a stunning shine that lasts all day. Get ready to flaunt your gorgeous hair this summer. So let me show you. This is the other side. It explains each product, and I'll read it as we go through them, and I'll quickly show you what's in the box. These are the products. It looks like we have 4 full-size products this month. First is the Avocado and Tamanu anti-frizz shampoo. It says prepare for frizz-free styling by giving your scalp and curls a clean slate with this non-stripping shampoo. Next is the Avocado and Tamanu anti-frizz conditioner. This moisture-rich conditioner will nourish your hair while smoothing your tresses for increased manageability, leaving your hair soft and shiny. Then we have the Avocado and Tamanu anti-frizz slip and seal leave-in conditioner. Using cold application technology, this leave-in conditioner provides instant slip, sealing in your cuticles and adding the first layer of protection against frizz. Refrigeration is recommended for at least 1 hour. Shake well and apply cold before styling. So that's different. And last but not least is this Avocado and Tamanu anti-frizz curl perfector. Every curl style deserves to be frizz-free, moisturizing, and long-lasting curl definition, and this product is giving just that. These are the 4 products for this month. I will put the prices of the products here to see if we got a good deal by having the Curlbox this month. And I do have these products already. I have not tried them yet. I did order them when they had first came out, but I just have not gotten to them. So I am excited to use these products and see how they work, especially now that the weather is getting more humid and warm and we need that extra protection for our hair, especially with my wash and goes. I'll also put a picture or something here so you can see the other products that were not included in the Curlbox that came with that collection. If you have used this collection before, please let me know down below in the comments. Or if you did receive this Curlbox this month and you're excited to try these, please let me know that as well. Thank you so much for unboxing this month's Curlbox with me, and I hope to see you in the next video. If you'd like to check out one of my playlists, you can click here or you can click right here. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.